Okay, background knowledge, part C3, question 1. Solve these equations simultaneously by substitution. So if we look at these two equations, I'm going to call that equation 1, call that equation 2. So what we're going to do is substitute equation 1 into equation 2. So that means we've got y equals x plus 2, so that's equation 1. In equation 2, we've got 2x plus 3y equals 21. And effectively, we're going to put that bit into there. So that's equation 2. So on that next line, we're going to have 2x plus 3, and that's where we're going to put in our x plus 2, and that's all equal to 21. So now we're going to expand out our bits. So I haven't done anything with 2x, so I'll leave that there. 3 times x becomes 3x. 3 times 2 becomes 6, equals 21. So we've got 5x plus 6 equals 21. 21 takes 6, it's going to give us 15. So x equals 3. So now what we need to do is find y. Y by substituting x equals 3 into 2. So then again, we've got 2x plus 3y equals 21. So I'm going to substitute 2 times 3. No, sorry, wrong equation. Wrong equation, sorry. Let's take that back a step into equation 1. So that means I've got y equals x plus 2. So I'm going to go y equals 3 plus 2, so y equals 5. And the last thing we can do quickly is check. So 2x plus 3y, so it's going to be 2 times 3 plus 3 times 5, and 6 plus 15 equals 21, which equals the same as what we had over on the other side. So solve simultaneously by substitution. Again, I call that 1, call that 2, sub 1 into 2. So we're going to have 4x take 3, bracket 2x take 3 equals 7. So 4x take 6x plus 9, because we're going to go like so, equals 7. So negative 2x equals negative 2, so x equals 1. Find y by sub x equals 1 into 1. So y equals 2 times 1, take 3, so y equals negative 1. And we do our check. 4x take 3y, so equals 4 times 1, take 3 times negative 1, so equals 4 plus 3 equals 7. Again, what we want. C. So this time, 1, 2, sub 2 into 1. So we're going to have 5x plus 3, bracket 6, take 2x, equals 19. So 5x plus 3 sixths are 18, take 6x equals 19. So we're going to have negative x equals 1, so x equals negative 1. So we're going to do find y by sub x equals negative 1 into 2. So I have y equals 6, take 2, negative 1. So y equals 6 plus 2, so y equals 8. So we're going to do a check again. Check 5x plus 3y is 5 times negative 1 plus 3 times 8. So equals negative 5 plus 24 equals 19. Again, the correct answer for what we want. D, this time, do 1, 2. They're both written in the slope intercept form or gradient intercept form. So we're going to sub 1 into 2. So that means this bit substitutes into there. So we're going to get 3x plus 1 equals 7x take 1. So if we rearrange, so it's going to be 2 equals 4x. So that means what I've done there is I've taken the negative 1 over that side, so added 1. And I've taken the positive 3x over that side, so it becomes take 3x. So 7x take 3x is 4x. So therefore I've got x equals a half. Now we're going to do again. Find y sub a half into, doesn't really matter which one we do, so I'm going to substitute into 1. So y equals 3 times by a half plus 1. So it equals 1.5 plus 1, so the answer is 2.5. So again, check. So 7x take 1, so it equals 7 times a half take 1, so equals 7 over 2, which is 3.5 take 1, so 3.5 take 1, which is 2.5, and that happens to be equal to the y value that's over here. So that's what we want. E, solve simultaneous, y equals 6x take 8 into that. So again, I'm going to go 1, 2, sub 1 into 2. So we've got 3x plus 2, 6x take 8 equals negative 6. So we've got 3x plus 2 6 to 12, x take 2 8s 16 equals negative 6. So we've got 15x equals negative 6 plus 16. So 15x equals 10. So x equals 10 over 15. So 10 over 15 is 2/3. So find y sub x equals 2/3 into 1. So y equals 6 times 2 over 3, take 8, cancel out, take that. So 4 take 8, so equals negative 4. Again, check. So check our answers. So we have 3x plus 2y equals 3 times 2 over 3 plus 2 times negative 4. So equals 2 plus negative 8 equals negative 6. What we're looking for. F. Again, label 1 and 2. 1, 2. We're going to sub 2 into 1. So 4x takes 7. I'll put colours this time. 7. 11 take 3x equals 1. So 4x take 77 plus 3 7 of 21x equals 1. So it's going to be 25x equals 78. So x equals 78 over 25. So now we want to find y. Sub x equals 78 over 25 into 2. So use that colour again. So y equals 11, take 3, 78 over 25. So equals, grab my calculator, has been closed. So let me just grab that out, a tick. Hang on 2 ticks. Another one. Now my question again. So I have 11, take 3, bracket 78 over 25, bracket. So it's 41 over 25. So that was 41 over 25. And again, we need to check. And so when we check, we have 4x take 7y equals 4 times 78 over 25, take 7 times 41 over 25. So again, I'm just going to do this on a calculator. So I got 4 bracket 78 over 25, close bracket, take away 7 bracket 41 over 25, close bracket, execute, equals 1, which is the answer we wanted. All done.